Hello everyone, this is Sufyan Sheikh and my brother Abhay Bandar as an engineer of this project, and now as the topic of our project is, so basically our project is about many of this society. Nowadays in society there are a number of cars and in huge amount, and everybody is using cars, scooters, etc. and many of the traffic issues we are facing now. In this case, some emergency is there or someone has serious health issues, then what we will do? In this case, in the city, we have too much traffic and the ambulance is a very important thing for us to save someone's life. And now we are planning and my friend has an idea to develop an hydraulic project for this, that a footpath. In my point of view, that saving someone's life is more important than everything. That's why we have built one project. It's work on hydraulic and it's a school level project or college level project. You can do in your schools as well as everything. Now, when there will be a traffic, the ambulance will be stuck. In this case, that ambulance will be stuck and it's too late to cars to move away from there to clear the road for ambulance. And that time, something too bad will be happening. That's why we have planned a project. There is a footpath. It's work on hydraulic. Many of the things we have done for that. It works on hydraulic means when there will be a traffic, too much cars will be there here on this traffic. And we have a sensor like ultrasonic sensor here. That this sensor will be dictate that ambulance will coming from there. That's why he will start working on it for an emergency road for ambulance. Now, this is an injections. This is a saline pipe. You can buy from a medical shop. It will not too much. This is 20 ml injection. This is also 20 ml injections. For this part, you have to need 4 injections and 2 wires for saline. And now, come to the point. It's a normal height as usual. Footpaths are there on the road. Now, we have an hydraulic concept in this. We are pulling the footpath. When the ambulance will come, the footpath will come. It's at ground at the road level. Means by hydraulics, it will come down at a road level like this. When the footpath will come down, many of the people will try to get inside in this, because everyone want to go to hurry and everyone is in fast. That's why we have built this motor. This is it works servo. Its name is micro servo, and it's work using this ultrasonic sensor. And when the people will when the ambulance will come from that side, this sensor will sense that the ambulance is coming and it's entering on the footpath. Then it will turn on the barricade. First, the barricade will be at downside. Like this, the barricade will be there, and while we will on this, the barricade and the sensor will sense that the barricade suddenly come up like this, and no one can enter in the way of ambulance. And I know that everyone has a question like where the walking people can move fast. People can sight for 2 minutes. It's not a big issue. They are just walking only, and the ambulance pass maximum in 5 seconds. It's not take 2 time. But the common sense is the cars will not move fast. It will take time. It will take time to move and to clear the road for ambulance. And now times huge number of cars are there and huge traffic is there. That's why we have built this project, that the ambulance can pass from there and then walking people can walk. Just for 5-second concept in this, then the ambulance will pass. Now, in this project, we have used 6 feet Sunboard. LED you can buy from anywhere. It's not a big issue. The LED of 3 mm LED is there and 3 volt. You can buy as you can, because LED never matters more. And the wire, you have to buy a 6-foot wire because it's need only. For everything it's controlled on wire, that's why it's need only. And the second thing, you have to buy this brain of the whole project, Ardiuno. We will place these links of the project of the material in the description box. You can go and search and visit the pages. It will control the full project by using electronics. And we have it's a school project. I have till starting on. It's a school project. That's why you can place any car and see that traffic is there. And I am guaranteed you that the teacher will be shocked of this project, because you will done using all these items, that Arduino, that sensors and all. It's such amazing project. Now you seems like that the ambulance is normal. No, it's not normal. In this, many of the coding is used that the ambulance will work on the mobile phone. We will show to you later, and the ambulance will work on mobile phone. In this ambulance, many of the chips are there. Let me show you. In this ambulance, we have many of the chips. Now, we are using this power bank, and we have attached all the wires, that adapter that we can carry. You can use batteries also, but batteries will be much expensive and the project will become expensive. We are making in cheap rate. That's the issue. That's why we are using this USB type. It's a wire for street light. When we will push it, that street light will be on. We will put in that, the street light will be on. Listen. It's how the street light is using. And this is the main wire. The wire goes to the brain of the computer. When we will put that, the wire will start. The brain will start. Like Arduino. The wire goes to the Arduino, the brain of the whole computer. Now, and the signal will also work on that. Now, I am showing we have put this signal receiver, and this is the motor controller. Batteries are too small, as we know. It need a huge battery, and the speaker is there for the siren, and this is an RGB for the light of ambulance. Now we will pack it, and the wheels are there, and no normal motors we are using. It's in gear. It's not used that we will put in. So this is a motor, micro servo, and this is an Arduino. It's down. Let me show you. It's down, and the whole of the things are down only. You can operate from there. This is an hydraulic concept. Even everyone know how the hydraulic is working. And we will show you our demo of our project, how it works. Now we have an ambulance. Here the operating system is there. This button for the car. Now the car is on, and this is for the Bluetooth speaker. Now the Bluetooth speaker is on. In this case, you have to turn on Wi-Fi. We will see here. Refresh. make DIY is coming. In your mobile phone, in your devices, some other name will become, doesn't matter. It works same as we are doing, because some of the material is using different and the motherboard and the software is different. That's why it's done like this. Now we are connecting to this. Make DIY. It's connected. Yeah, it's connected. And in this, all of these things, no internet is required. No internet is required. Now, this is a button to go forward. Download it from Play Store, and it's full legal and it's safe for your mobile phone and devices. Doesn't matter. Robotic car, Wi-Fi robot car. The application name is there. And the buttons, the speed, the button for forward, backward. This is for turn and all. You can use now for a demo. Now the car is open. I'm pressing this button. Now that the car is going on. See, you can use it. Everything. No issue. The light is glowing. The light button is on. Everything is there. Now come back to our point, and our project is about the emergency road for ambulance. Now my brother Engineer Abhay will show you a demo that how ambulance will pass from that, and we will show the Ardiuno. Now there is a traffic. Huge number of cars are there. I know this is a less car, but you can put number of cars here, and as your wish. That's why now you can imagine that the traffic is there, and now the ambulance is coming from there. We can switch in that. Now it has sense, and it will sense, the sensor will sense that, and the barricade will come, that no car will enter in the way of ambulance. Now you can see the car cannot enter in the way of ambulance, as well as bikes as well. Anything cannot enter in the way of ambulance. The ambulance can pass fastly as it can, and someone's life will be saved. From my point of view, saving someone's life, it's more important than everything. The work will be done by, you can meet someone later, you can get 5 minutes late for your work, but saving someone's life, it's an important thing, important of everything. That's why we have made this project, and our biggest flex of this project is that you can not only use for physics. In this project, we have done physics, computer science, and the environmental education, and that's all. Electronics. In this, it's a first project which has used hydraulics means mechanism. Mechanical branch is used, and the sensors are there means electronic branch is used, and the computer CS. Now we talk to CS. For all these things, it's work on software. It's not a simple thing, or not everyone can do, but you can by using coding. You can put the code in this software, and it will work. For this coding, it's a computer science project also. Move for a side, and the ambulance will carry only half footpath, not a full, and half on the road. I know you are telling that the barricade is there, how the ambulance will go, carry many of the things in that. It's not a simple cardboard box. It's a very advanced robotic ambulance that works and fully expressed on the mobile phone through Wi-Fi. It's not work on Bluetooth. You can use Wi-Fi. We have Wi-Fi receiver that it will work. Now, I'm sure that the teacher will be impressed by this project, because no one has done till now. And the sensors and everything is there. No one can do this. Even in your colleges, in your school, you are the first, and you can get a first ranking there. I'm guaranteed you. Now, in each and every comment we will read, you can ask your questions free to us in comment box. We can try to get your answers, and everything. Now, please, you can get many of the projects in our account, in our YouTube page, and you can score, and you can get very much prizes on that. Stay on our channel and subscribe us, like us, and share video, and don't forget to press the bell icon. Bye guys. And the second thing, we have to tell you, we have one more surprise for you. The code will be there in description box, which the Ardiuno can process and run. All of the code will be in description box, and the making of this robotic car video will be get you on our YouTube page later. But coming soon, the video will be there. And our channel, don't forget our channel name, CreativeAbhay. We are working very hard for you guys, just for you. From your blessings we can grow. And